For more than 120 years, Real Madrid has been known as Los Blancos, the Whites. The name itself is part of football history. The white shirt, the white shorts, the white socks, a sea of white in the Santiago Bernabeu. But what if that history was different? What if the world's most famous football club wasn't white at all? What if Real Madrid was completely black? Hey everyone, welcome back to Eclipse Black. On this channel, we explore one bold question. What if the world was black? From monuments to fashion, from history to design, we reimagine icons in the most powerful color of all. And today, we're stepping into the world of football, into the club that has won more Champions League titles than any other, the club of Stéfano, Zidane, and Cristiano Ronaldo. But not as Los Blancos, instead as Los Negros. Why white? To understand the impact, we first need to understand why Real Madrid is white in the first place. When the club was founded in 1902, its founders chose white as the kit color. Unlike many clubs, which used stripes or multiple colors, Real Madrid chose pure white, inspired by English amateur teams like Corinthians. White was simple, white was clean. White gave the team a sense of purity and elegance, a blank canvas for footballing artistry. Over time, that white became identity. Fans called the team Los Blancos. Rivals referred to the endless wave of white shirts that stormed across Spain and Europe. The color symbolized openness, brilliance, victory. It carried the aura of light. Real Madrid didn't just play football. They projected themselves as the brightest light in the sport. What if black? But imagine if from the very beginning, the founders had chosen black instead of white. The crest, golden crown, red band, the shining background, would sit on a field of deep matte black. The white of brilliance would be replaced by the black of mystery. A black Real Madrid would not have been seen as open and pure, but as commanding and intimidating. The stadium would not be a sea of white, but a wall of shadows. Every match, every goal, every trophy would have carried a darker, heavier symbolism. Black absorbs light instead of reflecting it. In psychology, it means control, power, and seriousness. Imagine opponents stepping into the Bernabeu, not welcomed by shining white, but swallowed by black. It would feel less like entering an arena of art, and more like entering a fortress of power. And the nickname? Not Los Blancos, but Los Negros, a team of shadows, not of light. History reimagined. Think of the great moments. Stéfano lifting trophies in black, the Galacticos, Zidane, Figo, Ronaldo, shining not in white silk but in black armor. Cristiano Ronaldo, in full black kit, raising the Champions League trophy under the lights of Milan. Instead of representing brilliance, Real Madrid would have embodied dominance. Instead of purity, permanence. Instead of openness, fear. The club might not even carry the same reputation. It would feel less like a dream team and more like a dynasty of shadows. Perhaps rivals would have respected them more, or feared them more. The symbolism. White is associated with light, beginnings, openness. Black with power, mystery, inevitability. In white, Real Madrid represents elegance, style, and spectacle. In black, Real Madrid would represent discipline, control, and intimidation. The meaning of every victory would change. The culture of world football itself might have shifted. So, what do you think? Would a black Real Madrid feel more powerful, more intimidating? Or would it lose its soul as Los Blancos? This is not an official design. This is only an Eclipse Black vision, a thought experiment in color, culture, and imagination. Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and remember, in black, the world is never the same.